Hello, sir. Myself Himabindu, second year, Department of Biotechnology, registration number 211FA01052. Now, myself, I represent the enzyme called hyaluronidase. It is an enzyme that breaks down hyaluronic acid and increases the absorption of drugs into tissues and reduce the tissue damage. The other medicines given under the skin to improve the uptake by the body. This method of drug delivery is the only used when the drugs cannot be given by injections into a vein. Hyaluronidase injection is also just used to increase the absorption of fluids or medicines that are injected into the body. It is the chemical representation of the hyaluronidase enzyme. Hyaluronidase is an endoglycoconidase that breaks down hyaluronic acid into monosaccharides by cleaving its glycosidic bonds. Additionally, to some extent, it also breaks down some other acids in the connective tissues. Discovery. The action of hyaluronidase was first described in 1936 and named in 1939. Hyaluronidase is first observed by Carl Mayer and classified the enzyme in 1971 and distinct into three groups based on the enzyme reaction products. Hyaluronidase is an enzyme used to improve the absorption and desorption of parenterally admitted fluid, drugs, and contact agents. Hyaluronidase is the enzyme that mainly found in the living organisms like human, bacteria, and animals. The goal of hyaluronidase is to reduce the hyaluronic acid. The enzyme mainly released in the sperm cell and the outer part of the sperm cell called acrosomes. The hyaluronidase activity is found to be related significant to the fermentation rate. Human hyaluronidase is present both in organs and in body fluids. In organs like skin, eyes, liver, kidneys, testes, and body fluids like tears, blood, etc. And there are 5 functional hyaluronidase: TYAL1, TYAL2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is also known as PAM1 or PH20 plus a pseudonegen HYAL6 also known as HYALP1. The gene for the HYAL1 are clustered in chromosome 3 while HYAL4 are clustered in chromosome 7. HYAL1 and HYAL2 are the major hyaluronidase in these most tissues. These hyaluronidase can be also classified into two types according to the pH at which they are most active. Acidic active hyaluronidase are activated at pH 3 to 4. Neutral hyaluronidase, which includes the hyaluronidase enzyme found in snake, and BOM are activated at the pH of 5 to 8. The crystal structure reveals a molecule compound of two closely associated domains. A catalytic domain that demonstrates the distorted 8' resembling that a B volume hydrogenase, and a novel EGF-like domain. Characteristics of involvement in a protein-to-protein interactions and regular processes. When hyaluronidase is injected into the body, it actively gradually decreases over a time as a result of dilution, diffusion, deactivation. Deactivation is caused by anti-hyaluronide activity which proceeds at different levels in the substrate tissue and the plasma. In the plasma, the half-life was 2 to 3 minutes when hyaluronidase was injected intransferally in humans, and even repeatedly in the injections did not result in the subsequent elevation of sperm levels of hyaluronidase. The reason for the short life of hyaluronidase in the human plasma or the presence of numerous hyaluronidase inductors for the plasma and the metabolism in the kidney and the liver. Hyaluronidase in the body is affected by various drugs. Antagonic includes anti-inflammation agents, numerous plant-based compounds, mast cells, vitamin C, and many more. This diagram shows the exact part of the hyaluronidase enzyme which attacks the sperm activity. There were many uses with this enzyme hyaluronidase. Injection is also used to increase the absorption of a fluid or medicine that are injected into the body. It also used to help the improve absorption or the radioactivity substance during the procedure called substitutions orgography. This medicine is used to given only by the under the direct supervision of a doctor. Thank you.